I'm Javier Fernandez, former SUTD professor and new IKEA professor at the Institute for Bioengineering of Catalonia. Our lab started and is championing what we call the biomaterial age, a manufacturing approach turning biological matter into products with the same simple, clean processes life already uses. The result? The world's largest bioprinted structures and pilot-scale production lines that rival conventional plastics while being seamlessly integrated into the Earth's ecological cycles. In our new APL materials perspective, we saw that this same closed-loop efficiency is what humans explorers need to survive and thrive in other planets. In these systems, materials grow locally as part of a minimal life support ecosystem that includes humans. This bioinspired manufacturing can, for example, turn Martian dust and organic byproducts into habitats, tools, and lab gear in one continuous cycle. So we saw that the biomaterial age and the technology that secures real sustainability on Earth is the same technology that will allow us to become an interplanetary species.